What's up, superhumans? Today we're talking about time under tension. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's another 2-Minute Tuesday. I am outside of my beautiful, amazing gym, Excel Fitness, and I'm gonna teach you a cool little principle called time under tension that's gonna help you build strength, improve and put on lean muscle tissue, and at the same time dramatically reduce the amount of time you have to spend in the gym to do it. All right, it's kind of cold out here, as you can see, snow on the mountains, and I don't have a lot of clothes on, so let's get into it. Last week, we talked about the 3 phases of muscle contraction: eccentric, isometric, and concentric, and we focused on just the eccentric. Today, we're going to focus on all 3. In a typical workout, the focus is generally on the concentric phase. Here, I'm doing a bench press, and the concentric, again, would be me pushing the bar away. The tempo that most people follow is a 0-0-0. There are no breaks between the concentric, isometric, or eccentric phase. It only takes me 6 to 8 seconds of work to complete a set of 10 reps. If I did 3 sets, followed by a strict 30 seconds of rest after each set, and I did 5 exercises following the same protocol, I'd end up doing 120 seconds of total work and 450 seconds of rest. Now, if I were to focus on time under tension and used a 3-3-3 tempo, I could do the same amount of mechanical work in just 3 reps. And you could apply this across all of your lifts. Well guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know there was a lot of math involved, but trust me, the math is good. I used a calculator. If you really like the video, please like and subscribe. It goes a long way to help the channel grow, and I can continue to provide good content like this. Also, follow me on Instagram, links down below. I guess that's it. I will see you on the next one. Peace. Calculator. Have you heard people that say calculator? I don't know, it's really good.